Great day, Dr. J.A.E, the real boss. I'm here in work mode, and I want to give you something as business owners. On September the 15th, if you are an S Corp, a partnership, or a C Corp, it's time for you to meet your September 15th deadline. It is so important for you to meet the deadline, because if you don't meet the deadline, you have a failure to file penalty that is added to your tax return, especially the partnerships and the S Corps. You're pass-through entities, meaning whatever you make in your partnership or in your S Corp, the bottom line figure is carried over to your personal tax return. Now, it's a great tax deduction with a pass-through entity. But the problem here is if you don't file on time, March 15th was actually your first filing time. If you did not file on March 15th and you filed an extension for September the 15th, then you're good. But if you didn't file an extension on March 15th and you're a C Corp, or S Corp, and a partnership with multiple members, then you will be charged a failure to file penalty. And if you did do the extension for September the 15th and you don't file, you're going to get filed a failure to file penalty. And a lot of times people feel like the extensions are saving them time, but it's really not, because if you owe the government, they're gonna go back to the original date of your filing and charge you the penalty all the way up to that date. So there's multiple penalties that are involved here, and you really need to have some tax planning and some strategies done to help you out, so you can understand why when you get a bill from IRS, it's compounded. It's because there are several penalties that are added. Failure to file penalties, and then you get penalized for not paying your penalties, plus you owe something, and then you just stacked up. You're looking at sometime, when you add up all of the penalties, maybe about 28, up to 28% with penalties. So if you want to save money, you need to get information and knowledge base concerning this. And the only way you can do that is deal with tax professionals, not just a tax preparer. You need someone who understands the codes, the rules with IRS, and you need someone who care enough to say, look, if you plan early, you won't get to this point. Because procrastination, I'm telling you, it is a high price. Dr. J.A.E, the real boss.